All right. Back when I used to frame, I used to be able to do this pretty quick. So we're gonna find out how fast I can still do it. Here we go. Oh boy. Woo! Yeah, that's 10 nails. I had to quit framing because of carpal tunnels. It's freaking hard on the wrist. All right, my piles are basically in the right spots. I mean, if I'm anywhere close to what I wanted. But now I got my 3 beams laying across. I want it to be obviously perpendicular and a 45-degree angle, and everything's flush and straight and all the stuff. But I'm gonna come out like 5 or 6 boards and run a floor joist here so I get the middle section somewhat straight, and then we'll work our way back, make sure everything's getting square. Finally, when we get all the floor joists on, we're gonna knock everything in place and make sure it's square as a hair. We're just toenailing, sandwiching them together. They're gonna get clips on each one though, and it'll be super duper strong. Okay, so now we're good this way. Now we gotta make sure we're good this way, okay? Okay, good, good. Yes, yes. That's why you wanna use bigger pile foundations, because I'm not absolutely perfect because I hit a root or 2 when I was digging the holes. But because I have 8 inches of surface area to use, I can shift my beams within that 8 inches as long as they're completely on the beam, which is nice. This will stop it from twisting, I think. Not that I have any issues with it twisting right now, but we're going for strength here, folks. Oh, she's strong. Over-engineer. This is dedicated to my buddy Ben Kuhn. I don't know if I should be gluing under my subfloor to minimize squeaks. I don't know, but quite honestly, it's a cabin, so a little squeaking is probably a good thing. Yay? Nay? Can I do it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, my legs are so weak. Oh, Lord. Tongue and groove, baby. What the? Whoopsies. Oh wow, this is sticky. Okay. Woo! Yeah, baby. Alrighty, that took a lot longer than expected. Okay, bad news, people. It decided to absolutely pour down the day after. This is the second day it's been raining, and I got absolutely drenched to protect thy cabin floor. It definitely got wet on the first day, but hopefully this will minimize the total mess underneath. Oh, so sad. Well, I guess we're gonna wait for a dry day and hopefully this isn't completely screwed up.